Hi everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show to you how are you going to pay your Union Bank credit card bill via Union Bank online app. So I hope that your Union Bank is already open, your Union Bank app is already open, and I will just log in. Okay. Make sure that your logins are correct. You will be asked to put on a 6-digit OTP or one-time password. There you go. Then once you are logged in, you will see your current accounts. So there are credit card accounts and your My Savings account. So first and foremost, you have to check what is the actual outstanding balance that you have in your credit card. So open this. Then once you open this, you will see all the other details here. Then you could see the last statement balance. Usually you could just check it here, the last statement balance. So this is the amount that I am going to pay. So 13,266.83. So how am I going to pay it? So go back lang tayo doon sa pinaka main homepage. So actually here, you can just pay it here. That's the easiest way. There will be a notice here to pay. Just click that pay button. But first and foremost, make sure that you have enough balance on your current Union Bank savings account. Okay, if you have enough balance, then you are able to push through. Then click pay. Once you click pay, there's the amount there. You have to choose which account are you going to use to pay it. I only have one account with this, then I'm going to choose this one. There you go. So I'm gonna be paying 13,266.83. So pay from which account, review a little bit, then done. So there will be a section where you have to review it, and there you will see how much you're going to pay. So click pay 13,266.83. Once you pay it, you will be asked for a one-time password. Just input that one-time password, then that's it. You are now able to pay your Visa credit card or any credit card that you have. So what I'm going to do here is usually I will screenshot here this one. There you go. I now have a screenshot for reference of how much I've paid. So like you could also share this if you want. From there, you already actually have the photo here. And once you're done, you could just go back to your dashboard. And what I really like about Union Bank is that it's real time. You don't have to wait for 2 to 3 days. Once you pay a credit card bill directly using Union Bank savings account, the payment will be processed in real time. Alright, so that's it for this video. I do hope that it helps you pay as well your Union Bank credit card via your Union Bank online